Alright, now it says graph the following functions: x squared plus 5, x squared minus 5, and x squared. So go back to your y equals. X squared is the first one. Our next one, let's write it as x squared plus 5. And then our third one, we'll write it as x squared minus 5. And then hit graph. And it looks like we have the same graph, but what has changed? The vertex has moved, right? So, vertex moved from the blue one to the red one. It moved up, and on the red one it was adding. So it moves up when adding. And then the black one was subtracting, and you can see the vertex moved down when subtracting. So if you see plus, it's going to go up. If you see minus at the end, that vertex is going to go down. And it's going to move from 0, 0. Now let's look at the tables. So second table, and comparing it to the blue one. The red one, 4 plus 5, right? Because it says plus 5 is 9. 1 plus 5 is 6. 0 plus 5 is 5. 1 plus 5 is 6. So on this one that says plus 5, so 9, 6, 5, 6, 9, the vertex actually does change. Vertex went up 5 spaces. And what happened to our y values? Your y values, they just added 5. And you can see x squared plus 5, the y values just added 5. What's going to happen over here with the minus 5? Guess what? The vertex, when we plug all these in, let's see, we've got negative 1, negative 4, negative 5, negative 1, and, negative 1, negative 4, negative 5. This should be negative 4, and this should be negative 1. There we go. Sorry about that. Now, from our original, so I'm keeping the original in blue, from 4 to negative 1, this went down 5. From 1 to negative 4, this went down 5. From 0 to negative 5, it went down 5. 1 to negative 4, it went down 5. And from 4 to negative 1, it went down 5 more. So all that's going to happen with our vertex, the vertex goes down 5 spaces, and over here the y values go down 5 spaces, or they subtract 5. But you should see, since it says minus 5, you're just going to take your y values and go down 5. Now, there's 4 pictures down here. It just says, what are the equations of these graphs? What we can do each time is compare it to our parent function. So, I'm going to go back to my y equals. I'm going to erase the rest of these, and I'm just going to hit graph. So, my parent function will look like that, and then when I go second graph table, I can pull up my table. So, let's just put in our 5 points from negative 2 to positive 2. So, this one, negative 1, 2, up 1, 2, 3, 4. This is negative 1, 1, so over 1, up 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, and 2, 4. So that would be my parent function, right? As you can see, it got a little bit bigger. How much bigger? Well, this goes from 0, 0 to, looks like it goes over to 1, 2, 3, up 4. Here. Alright, I'm going to stop the video here, look at my notes, and try to come up with a little bit better explanation than what I had written. We'll do these next 4 examples on the next video.